Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we break down the latest tech and shopping hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to share your Fashion Nova cart in 2025. If you're a fashion lover who shops on Fashion Nova, you know how exciting it is to share your finds with friends or family for their input or group buys. This feature, updated for 2025, makes it simpler than ever to collaborate on your wardrobe wishes. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Fashion Nova account on their website or app. It's super important because sharing requires access to your personalized cart. Once you're in, navigate to your shopping cart. That's the icon that looks like a bag, usually in the top right corner. Now, look for the Share Cart button. In the 2025 update, it's more prominent, often with a little share icon next to it. Click on that, and you'll see options to generate a shareable link or code. Next, customize your share if you want. Fashion Nova lets you add a quick message or select what items to include, so your friends see exactly what you're eyeing. Once you've got your link ready, hit Generate or Create Link. This will give you a unique URL that you can copy to your clipboard. Now, the fun part, share it. You can send it via email, text, or even post it on social media like Instagram or TikTok. Your recipients will get a preview of your cart, and they can add comments or even add items themselves if you've enabled collaboration mode. One quick tip. If you're sharing with multiple people, double-check privacy settings to ensure only intended viewers can access it. And if you run into any issues, like the link not working, try refreshing the page or checking for app updates. Fashion Nova's 2025 version is pretty seamless, but tech glitches happen. There you have it, sharing your Fashion Nova cart is a breeze and perfect for group shopping sessions. Give it a try on your next haul and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.